I felt like a Spanish, like a Puerto Rican. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I'm tired of having to do my natural edges and them just curling up after 10 minutes. So we are going to be trying this scarf that has edges already on it, y'all. Yes, it's already on it. And we're going to see if it's giving what it needs to. Stay tuned, y'all. Hey, y'all. It's your girl, Shayna Violet, and I am back. Ooh, not me with the accent. Goodness gracious. I'm really excited because I've been waiting to do this video. This is from Janet Collection. They have made a scarf that got bangs on it. You're probably like, what is the point? What is the purpose? What is the purpose of anything that they make these days? For ease and accessibility. Now, from the picture, it don't look like they bleached the knots. But from this description, it says shampoo, perm, bleach, dye, and customize. So we're gonna be bleaching these knots. Y'all can really see. Yeah. Now I don't know if the bleaching it is gonna mess up the scarf, but I'm gonna just try to be careful when I go around it, and you know, we just gonna make it do what it do. Let's see what she do. Let's see what she do. We're gonna bleach her first, and then we're gonna get into this. Cut excess lace. Tint the lace with foundation. Set scarf properly on head, matching baby hairs to your natural hairline. Tie the scarf to your preference. Secure scarf with bobby pins. Insert a bobby pin on each side of the scarf. Style edges to preference. Cut or use curler to customize edges. Use hairspray to set and style. Use blow dryer to dry product. And finish style. Okay. But I still wanna like tinting it is not enough. I'm so sorry. It's not enough. At least not for me. Like, now y'all said we could bleach his hair? You thought it was for you? All right, y'all. I guess because this is Remy hair, the knots didn't want to bleach. They bleached a little bit, but I had it on there for a while. I had it on there for at least like a good 20 minutes. And it's 40 developers, so 20 minutes is a lot. But like I said, a little bit of it got lighter. I don't know what's about to happen, but we're just gonna go for it. All right, so we're gonna cut off the excess lace. They gave you a lot of lace. I don't know why they gave you this much lace with that little bit of rose, but I guess. Okay, I got my foundation. All right, so I put on the foundation, so we're looking good there. What I'm gonna do next is just comb my edges back because they have no business being the brightest of this party. Let's see what this is giving. Ooh, I mean, oh, these edges are a little long. Oh my gosh, it's a lot. There's a lot going on over here. All right, this scarf is tight. All right, I want her tight because it's basically what's holding the edges down. Now, I'm not even sure how this happened. In 1 minute, everything is fine. And then the next, my scarf is ripped. I honestly think it could have been because of the bleach, like just made the scarf a little bit weaker, or just me pulling it really tight. But still, like, I'm just so confused, y'all. The scarf ripped, y'all. Oh my gosh, what the hell? That is so ghetto. Not the scarf falling apart at the seams, child. Was it because I pulled it too tight? I don't want to do that again. Creamy. Like, what are you supposed to do with all of this? I'm going in with my hairspray to melt the lace, and then anything that wasn't blending, I just put a little bit more foundation on it. Then I proceeded to curl the edges with my little curler. For the side that ripped, I just used a bobby pin to keep it back and out of the way. Now, the way that this was marketed in the pictures is that you can make these grandiose edges, and for me, I'm just not that girl. Like, I love a good natural swoopity swoop, you know? And that's what we're gonna try to do today. Upon trying to make those though, I realized a little plucking was needed in between each section. So I did go in with my tweezers and plucked as I saw fit. This is a lot of work, y'all. Like, this was supposed to be easy. This is hard. We're gonna try a little, we're gonna try. Y'all, this is frustrating me because it just does not want to stay. Y'all know I'm not an edges bruh, and it's giving about to cut these sideburns. All right, y'all, so I don't know about y'all, but I just feel like this was just so complicated for some baby hairs. It's just so complicated. First of all, the scarf is ripped. She is ripped, like, goodness gracious. I don't know, like, I know the vibe that they were trying to get. I just don't understand why they gave so much edges. I understand people do their edges like that, but this hair, like, you put a little bit of something on it and it just, it seizes up like it's synthetic. Like, I don't understand. So all them edges is like unnecessary to me. I don't know if y'all gonna try this. I feel like everybody should try this just once, just to see what it's giving, just to see how like hard this is, because it should not have taken me this long to freaking do edges. It's just edges. That's it. The bleach didn't even take, so you don't even have to bleach it for real. You're really just supposed to put this on and cut the lace, cut the edges, and go about your day. This took me about an hour. And this one I don't even want to say. Like, this just seems like a lot of work. A lot of risk with no reward. A lot of risk, no reward. I say all this to say thank you for trooping through this video with me, y'all. Like, it is now 11 o'clock. It should not even be this late. But thank y'all for trooping through this video with me. I just feel like, let me just put my hair to the front. Like, what? Yo. Yeah, I don't know why I thought this was gonna be so tea. I mean, it don't look terrible, but it don't look that great either. I don't know. Leave some comments down below. Would you try this? We're like at a crossroads here. I feel like if you are an edges girl, you could probably make some shape with this. I am still in the process of becoming an edges girl, so I don't think I did what I was supposed to do, but y'all let me know. Make sure, I don't, like, was this I feel like this was a fail. I don't know. Honest opinion, I don't know. Make sure to thumbs up this video because I tried for y'all. I really did. I tried for y'all so y'all don't have to do it yourselves, okay? I really did try. Like I said, if you an edges girl, you got this. If you not, don't do this to yourself because you're gonna be mad and you're gonna look crazy outside. Now, the scarf part is cute. I'll give it that. Let me turn around. Scarf's cute. She's giving. She's giving. And they have a multitude of colors. I would just cut off the the lace part and just keep the scarf. Jenny, y'all could just sell the scarves. That would be cute. Just saying. Just putting that out there. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you're alerted when I post new videos, because you want to be alerted, right? Okay. Make sure to share this with your family, friends. I don't know if this is going to be a laughing situation or like, girl, you need to try this situation, but make sure to share it. Whoever you got to share it with them. And I'll leave the link to it down below. Thank you guys for watching, sticking through it, sticking with me. I appreciate y'all. But yeah, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.